Hello guys, if you go back to my yesterday's video, I was speaking about the yesterday and day before yesterday lows. That is not how a true bottom looks like in market profile. And as the prices gaps up tomorrow in March futures, look for shorting opportunities. This is what I was mentioning. Not only in Bank Nifty, so look for the shorting opportunities in Nifty towards 21,800 levels. The overall US markets have closed very strongly negative, and because of that Indian markets, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, despite of being futures, they have opened more or less flat. Straight away prices went for the value area at 48,500 levels, which I was speaking yesterday and the day before yesterday. So these value area lows and all, once the prices gets accepted, it's almost 90-95% they get covered. It's just a matter of time, not when. So that is what happened today. Then there was a pullback. The pullback itself is because of, if you look at in first 30 minutes, there is not much of passive selling on the right side. So when you don't see any passive selling in markets, prices retraces back. That is what happened. And then again prices came down. So why again came down? The up move itself doesn't have any kind of buyers on the left side. For Monday or Tuesday, what you should be looking is there is a high possibility it will come down. Will it happen on Monday or Tuesday? I'm not entirely sure about it, but it has to come down because some buyer around 48,300 level he is coming. So if this buyer unwinds, there is going to be a very strong downside move. So if you look at around the same levels, some buyer is coming in. Previously around this area there is one attempt from this buyer, second attempt was there, third attempt was there, fourth and fifth. Today was the fifth attempt. So it will come down again. It's just a matter of time. In market profile, we have clear signs of how a true bottom forms. Unless that happens, markets keep coming in. And yesterday I was also mentioning that it's these short term buyers who are buying around these levels. So once they unwind, there will be strong moves. Even now it's the short term buyer who is buying around 48,330 levels. So once they start unwinding, there will be a strong down move towards 47,900 levels, and much further lower levels towards 46,700 levels is very much possible in Bank Nifty. For any kind of intraday longs, if prices gets accepted inside value area, maybe then you might look for some kind of longs. So for that you can look for price acceptance above 48,540 levels. Any acceptance here, you might see a small rally towards 48,800 to 49,000 to 49,100 levels, but then it will be a sell on raise. Sellers will come again. So this is with the Bank Nifty, guys. Coming to Nifty, yesterday and 2 days back I was speaking the same thing. 21,800 is inevitable. The reason I was mentioning is here prices are already inside this supply area. So once the prices is inside this supply area, unless something, some miracle, some market miracle happens, these sellers will try to take control. And if you remember, in price action, prices always remembers the past story. So what happened here, there is a strong move in the previous March month of 24, and here if you look at, there is again a continuous gap down for 2 to 3 days. So this is a strong supply again. Here also there was a strong fall all the way down to 22,000 and below 22,000 levels. So what happens, these sellers will come again. Unless some kind of strong miracle happens, these sellers will come and they will try to take the prices towards these levels, which is somewhere around 21,900 to 21,800 levels, and even below is very much possible. That is what happened. So whatever the US market fall, it is just a trigger point. So even eventually it would have fallen, but the trigger point has initiated a downfall. Relatively compared to Bank Nifty, Nifty is very weak. So Bank Nifty today it has fallen less than 1%, but Nifty it has fallen approximately 2% intraday. 21,800 to 21,900 is almost confirmed. This is where some kind of demand has started, but just because there is a demand, it doesn't mean immediately prices will turn around. But you can expect some kind of demand around 21,400 levels to 21,800 levels. So anywhere in between these levels some demand might happen. The reason is this is the area where there is a strong rejection from election day. Not only that, in March and in April, in May month, there was a strong demand around this area. So buyers will try to step in around this area. So till then, there will be one more strong down move. So today, the close itself is around 22,272 levels in futures. So watch for these levels, guys, for Monday or Tuesday, because today there is a double distribution day. The thing with this double distribution day is these are weaker type of markets. When I say weaker type of markets, they generally get tested out. Any acceptance above 22,260 levels, there is a possibility Nifty might go for 22,330 levels and 22,400 levels short term. This is intraday levels, but again it is going to be a sell on race. There is no bottom yet. If you are keen on learning order flow, just check out the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. This is with Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.